time it is. Boxes. Alright, so I got my racing seats that came in. This is the passenger side seat, and I have it pretty much the sliders on there. But the problem with that is if you take this mounting bracket they sent me and set it up against it, there's a problem. If you were to move this over, so we're going to have to figure something out. Alright, so finally these Kmotor brackets came in. They have this wide thing here, the mounting holes set up, both sides. They're made for the old Honda, better than these which came with the seats that do not fit. I have to box these back up, but the box that these came in were destroyed, so I bought these, and I'm going to send their brackets back to them, their mounting brackets back to them in the box for these. So these are actually better built, so I'm digging it. But yeah, so we got the seats. So these are the Speed Daddy seats, and I've already mounted that one. That one's ready to go. I just have to mount this one up, and then we'll be good. Alright, so these are the racing seats in the car. So I got them installed. This was my birthday present from my wife, which is amazing. So they're completely installed, the rails and everything work. The only thing is this is the factory seat belt bracket thing, and I don't know about these bolts. I put this one on and put a nut on the end of it, and I don't know. I don't like the way it feels. So I'm gonna buy brand new, like, heavy duty nut and bolt. They actually mount right here. So that's one for this one. This one's already in place. But yeah, so that's the seats installed. After a couple of freaking headaches. But that's them. I think they look good. Alright, well, you guys take it easy. Peace.